So we've added 19, now let's add 22. So 22 mod 4 is 5 remainder 2, and so we'll put the 22 there. And in this case we have 2, 4, 6 items divided by 4 slots times 2, that's 75%. We are okay. As you can imagine, no matter what we insert next will cause a bucket split. Okay, well let's do one more for fun just so we can get another bucket split. We're going to add the value 18. When we come down here, 18 mod 4 is 4 remainder 2. So we place the 18 in this slot here. As you can see, it's already filled, so we need an overflow. There's the 18. Now to determine the load factor, we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, divided by 1, 2, 3, 4 slots times 2. That's 7 over 8, which is greater than 75%. So that means we need to do another split. So since n is 0, we would split on this one. We add another bucket, bucket 4, and we keep the 8 here because 8 mod 4 is remainder 0. We also move our n down here, so our n increased by 1. This bucket now uses mod 8. This new bucket uses mod 8. All the old buckets still use mod 4. And we have this overflow area there. Now if you do a count, we have 2, 4, 6, 7 items, and we have 5 slots, so it's 7 over 5 times 2, or 7/10, which is 70%, so we're okay. Now it is possible we can have an overflow which causes another overflow. That's possible too, but I just wanted to show you a typical type of example. Normally what happens, we keep any additional splits, n would keep going down, so we'd have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then we'd have 4, 5, 6, 7, so we'd have 8 at that point, which would have everything in mod 8. Next split we would go, at mod 8 we go back and set n equal to 0. So in wrapping up, with the linear hash as opposed to the extendable hashing, we add one bucket at a time as opposed to doubling in size. We're working with mod 2, mod 4, depending what we have. The n is going from 0 to 1, showing which bucket to split on. And as soon as we get to the end, like from 0 to 4, or when we start out here, 0 to 2, we reset it back to n. Now to determine the split, we have something called the load factor. In this case, we use the load factor of 75%. You could use a load factor of 90% or even a lower load factor, 50%, which would cause more splits, and you'd have like a sparser set of values distributed throughout your slots. So, thanks a lot. Hope this helped. Bye-bye.